Welcome everyone to this exercise number 60 with a focus on using graduated and chart symbols. So I've opened the project number 60, and as you may now see, we are still on the Africa Atlas, which is now filled with 9 maps, and these 2 maps we would like to have a better representation in the atlas. So we have diamonds and power. So we will start now with diamonds, and with diamonds what we will do there is a shapefile called mines, and there are sizes given and a size rank. So the size rank is corresponding to the size, and we would like to use graduated symbols or graduated symbols to represent the size of the mines. As for the moment, in the data view you can see the position of the mines, and with a double click you will go into quantities and graduated symbols. So what we will use a value called size rank to represent the size of each mine. Just click on OK. You will get a first idea how this functions. So we will adjust the symbol size to according to 5 up to 15, because maybe the larger circles are a little bit too big, and so the middle sized range will have a size 10, 15 and 5. So this looks nice now, and we will also like to adjust the label. Just click on the label and you can type in a character. So this is small, this is medium, and this is how to call it, large, big, huge, I don't know, so I'll say large, as it is mentioned in the book. So let's go beyond. Okay, now the tiny spots here have a size of 5. Then the medium-sized mines have a pointer size of 10, and the large ones of 15. Once again, maybe we would like to adjust the template for that. We will use a square, and we will try to rotate the square. Now this should be beyond 0 and 360 to 45 degrees. Just click on OK. Click on OK again. So you have now the typical mine symbol in your atlas according to the position and the size of the mine. This is the first map called diamonds. We will now go to the power map. In the power map we have here, there is we need to activate that as well. So right click, activate. Now the power map has this box around, so we can go into data view mode and have a look on the data behind that. So open countries by right click, not double clicking, right click, and have a look in the attribute table again. What we would like to do is we would like to use a pie chart to represent the percentage of each electrical production, whether it comes from fossil, hydrogen or other methods. So we'll use these 3 columns to represent a pie in the middle of our polygons. So double click on countries again. There is this section called charts. You can create pies, bars and columns, and stacked ones. So we'll start with the pie, and we would like to represent fossil, hydro and others. So these 3, you can adjust the symbol of course, so go maybe with the fossil in red, so indicate some bad things, and fill color for hydro is of course green because it's so green, and other, well, stick with the feature gray. So now in the moment, just click on OK, and you should get one idea about the presentation. What we need to adjust is the pointer size, because, or the chart size, because the charts are a little bit too big to be represented in each polygon. As you can see here, these little lines are indicating that this chart belongs to this tiny country here, so the charts won't fit in. And the 3D feature of that is a little bit overwhelming, as it is mentioned in the book, so we will adjust that as well. Just double click on countries again, and there you have the possibility to adjust the size of these, so you can adjust it from 32 maybe to 16. Just click on OK. Once again OK. Now the size is quite fine to be visible in the map. Each pie chart is more or less in the borders of its polygon, and what we'll do as well is we will create not these very shiny 3D features, but we will adjust the properties and to get not a 3D feature. And I like these geographic ones, so we'll go with them. Once again, now you have a representation not in 3D, which makes it quite easy to understand what is seen or what is visible here. So we have in red all the percentage of electricity coming from fossil combustion in the areas around the I think it's a Red Sea here, and on the western part, and also where water is available you have the hydrogen power electrical production. You can adjust the background of the polygons as well by this dialog, so you can adjust the background to lake. Well, seems not that interesting, so we'll go back to this nice gray. So that's one thing, and I think that was all for this exercise. So let's go back to the to this one, and what you can do now, you can print your map by just clicking on File, Export Map. I would like to export it to a PDF. Resolution should be fine with 150 dpi, and I would like to clip the output to the graphics extent. We will go into detail with making maps in another video. So this is it for the moment. Well, the map is produced now. And there is it, 1.4 megabyte. Let's have a look in the map. And if you're going to 100%, well, it looks quite nice. There, this is the wildlife map. There's the topography, and of course our power consumption map given here. Thank you very much for watching. We will continue our exercises, I think, next week. So stay tuned. We will covering then labeling features, so everything behind labeling process of shapefiles, and also querying data in next week. Maybe we will address the problem of getting information about features as well, like joining and relating tables. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, and please leave some comments if you would like to know something. Just drop me a line or write me an email to ricardo.klinger@gmail.com. Thank you very much.